Alright guys, we got a 2005 Ranger with us today, and we're just going to be replacing the tail light because this one was previously cracked in 2 spots. So here is the part number. It is super easy. Don't pay anyone to do this yourself. You're literally just taking out 2 screws and twisting some bolts. Let's get to it. Two Phillips screws you're going to remove. And you remove 2 more right here. Alright, with it popped out, since we're going to be using the bulbs, you just twist them. You don't need to unplug them. Let's see. Twist this one to the left, pops out. Twist this one to the left, pops out. They're just grooved. We'll take the new one, put the lights in, same thing. Find the spot and twist them in place to lock it. Find the spot they sit in and twist it in place to lock it. And then just simple as putting it back together with some new screws. And that's all there was to it. Simple as that. Don't pay someone to fix it when you could easily do it yourself.